Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Waqas Haider Khan, and today I would discuss about the chapter 1 from second year computer science. The title of chapter 1 is Data Basics. Contents of today's lecture are data, information, operation, and traditional file system. I would discuss all these concepts one by one. Firstly, I wanna like to demonstrate about the concept of data. Actually, data is the collection of facts, figures, and statistics before processing. In an organization or institution, likewise college or university, data is used for management purpose. So here I wanna like to demonstrate one of the best example of the data. If you want to get the admission in college or university, so you would have to submit the admission form. So student name, student's father name, address, date of birth, gender, these all the things would be included in admission form, which would represent the data of particular student. So management would cater the information of particular student. Data is used for capturing prominent reports, graphs, and peculiar statistics. Example of data is demonstrated in front of you. Likewise, in 2011, for 170 million population of Pakistan, water availability would be the 1050 cubic meter. So it is expected that in 2025, for 267 million population of Pakistan, water availability would be the 660 cubic meter. So this is all about the example of data. Now I would discuss about the information. Actually, the processed form of data is known as information. So here I wanna like to give the example of information. Likewise, the percentage of first year students results. Likewise, all the numbers of particular subjects. Likewise, in Urdu, in Islamic studies, in English, physics, chemistry, biology. So all the numbers would get the percentage of particular student. So this is all about the information. Example of information is also in front of you. Likewise, here there is the involvement of particular student. His numbers in Urdu, English, Islamic studies, Pakistan studies, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology are being demonstrated in front of you. Now I would discuss about the operations. Actually, manipulation or managing of data after getting the data from plenty of sources in order to get required results or consequences is known as manipulation or managing. Operations have following types of activities, likewise data capturing, data manipulation, or managing the output results. As far as data capturing is concerned, data must be recorded in some form before processing. Firstly, data may be recorded on source documents or provided directly via input devices. Likewise, if you wanna like to take the examination, so firstly you would practice on your copies or your handwritten notes. After your practice, you would appear in examination. Data manipulation. Beneath are the operations to perform on collected data, likewise classifying, actually organizing data into classes or groups via alphabetically, alphanumerically, or numerically. As far as alphanumerically has been concerned, here there would be the involvement of alphabetically and numbers. So I would discuss about the calculations. Arithmetic manipulation, likewise subtraction, addition, multiplication, or division of the data. Sorting, actually the arrangement of data in logical sequence numerically or alphabetically is known as the sorting. Summarizing, reduction of large volume of data into a precise or useful form is known as summarizing. Managing the output results, storing and retrieval. Data is retained for future purpose. So when we would have any problem, so we would get the data from particular destination. Retrieve activity involves fetching or accessing the stored data and information. Communication and production. Reproduction involves the copying of data from one location to another location for further processing. So if we would have the involvement of particular information in future purpose, so we would get the information from particular space. Traditional file system. Actually, this topic is too much pertinent. So firstly, I would discuss about the field. Actually, field is the collection of characters, and the example of field: student name, address, and roll number. Record, a collection of related fields treated as a single unit, is known as a record. For example, record of a particular student represents required information about student. As far as hospital has been concerned, so record of a particular patient represents required information about particular patient in hospital. Example of record is being demonstrated in front of you. So now I would discuss about the file. Actually, file is the collection of related records treated as a single unit. So the example of file is also being demonstrated in front of you. Likewise, employee number, employee name. So these all are the fields. So the collection of fields are record, and multiple records are being demonstrated in front of you, that is being represented as a file. So this was all about the today's lecture. Hope you like this lecture. So thanks a lot for listening my lecture. Best of luck for future